friends, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, from styling services to shopping hauls, and the styling services range from the popular Stitch Fix to lesser well-known ones. So if you are interested in that, please subscribe below. Returning viewers, thank you guys so much for coming back. I appreciate your comments. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. And today is a Stitch Fix day! Yay! Okay, so I'm really excited about this box because I decided to do something a little bit fun and a little bit different than I've done in the past. It's really not that exciting. I'm overhyping it. Okay, so to get to it, I asked my stylist to send one full outfit. So to make all 5 items incorporate into one outfit, I even let my stylist know that in my profile I went and changed the settings, so I turned back on things I had shut off, like jeans and purses and things like that, so that she would be able to make an entire outfit. So in my head, she would be sending like some sort of shirt, some sort of outerwear, jeans, shoes, and maybe a purse. That's what I'm kind of hoping for. Now the fun thing that I want to do with this is I ordered my own box off of Amazon Prime, a full outfit, and I want to compare Stitch Fix Stylist versus Jen's Stylist. Now I think we all know who's going to come across as the winner, Stitch Fix, but I thought it would be a fun thing to try. My stylist that I have, I know she uses my Pinterest a lot, so I tried to make sure to not pin outfits that were kind of the theme that I was going towards. So I'm really excited to see what she comes up with. I think it'll be a fun box to see a whole outfit together instead of, you know, usually it's just mix and match pieces, you know, several tops and maybe a bottom or something like that. So I'm very excited about this box. Cannot wait to get into it and show you guys my new outfit, provided she didn't tell me I was stupid and she didn't want to do it. Okay, so if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, then it is a styling service. You fill out a profile, they send you 5 items, keep what you like and only pay for what you keep, send back what you don't want. There's a $20 styling fee that gets applied to anything you purchase, unless you get the style pass like I have, which is just 49 bucks for the whole year. Again, it applies to anything that you purchase. And you have 3 days to try on and keep what you want, and that's kind of the gist of it. I have recently switched stylists to a stylist named Nikki, and she is fantastic, and I've had a lot of success with her. So in the box, you get your mailer to send back what you don't want to keep. You also get a style card and your invoice here in an envelope. Your style card shows you how to style it, which I will read before I try this outfit on. And let's get into it. So first off, I see shoes. Exciting shoes. So let's see what we have here. Ooh, okay. So it looks like we have some Keds. So it's kind of a cream color with, I'd say, like some gray or navy kind of specks throughout it. Let's give you guys a close-up of what these look like. These are very cute. I don't have any shoes like these, so can't wait to see. They look long, but I don't know. Okay, so far so good. Oh, I've got a couple bundles. Ooh, Jen's got a purse. So I do need a purse really badly, so there's a good chance I'm going to end up keeping this purse. Okay, here we have just a brown leather purse. This is by Moda Luxe, and it is and look inside, I like that pattern. So it is a crossbody and also a fold over. I'm really fascinated with these purses that have the zipper in the fold over. I don't know why I find it so fascinating, but I do. And so that's just a cool pocket here in the top. And then, like I said, there's a couple pockets here inside and then a pocket in the front. Pockets are always great for organizing your purse. There's a very good chance I'm going to keep this purse, provided it's not like $200. So I like this a lot. So far, my outfit is really making me happy. Okay, and then the clothing bundle, we just have 3 items here. I see some green and some cream and denim. Okay. So we have, this is by 41 Hawthorn, and we have a green vest. And it is a quilted vest. It has a couple pockets here in the front, and then obviously a zipper down the middle. I really like it. I love green. Green is my favorite color, so I like this a lot. A lot. Okay. Next we have, this is by Harper Lane, and it is a cream colored sweater. And I'll say I've got like 50 cream colored sweaters tagged on my Pinterest. I don't know why. I'm just into them right now. And it's got an interesting, almost tassel-y effect throughout the sleeves and throughout the whole thing. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's kind of a tassel-y effect. So that's a very cool and unique sweater, and I like this a lot. And then we have a pair of jeans. So these are STS blue. These are just a regular pair of skinny jeans, no distressing, soft skinny. These are the Emma ankle skinny. So, guys, she did it. She sent me a whole outfit. I love it. I can't wait to get this on. Let's read her stylist note. Let's read her stylist note. Okay, here's what she said. It is my girl Nikki again. She says, your October fix is here, Jennifer. I hope that the fall season has been treating you well so far. Since you requested a fully styled outfit for today's box, that is what I've put together for you today. You've pinned several off-white cream color sweaters on your Pinterest board with texture, so I thought you might enjoy this Harper Lane Cotton Blend rib pullover. Wear it with the STS blue mid-rise skinny jeans, which are a darker wash that would be perfect for this season. You pinned several pairs of Ton sneakers, and while I couldn't find any of those in stock, I sent these Keds sneakers for you to wear with the outfit. For extra warmth, layer on the 41 Hawthorn vest on top. Lastly, add the Moda Luxe Crossbody to finish. Don't forget to let us know what you are lusting after this season. Enjoy, Jennifer. XOXO Nikki. Okay, she did awesome. I'm excited about this, and let's do the try-on. And this is going to be a short try-on today because I have it all in one outfit. So let's do this. Alright guys, so here is my full outfit. How do I look? I think my feet are cut off, so I'm just going to have to hold them up. Okay, yeah, so how do I look? What do you think of my outfit? Okay, so let's start with the purse. I love it. I just discovered also that there is a zipper around the bottom here, and so it does expand, which I think is a cool detail to that. And I really love this purse. I just think it's really cute. So if the price is right, then the purse is definitely a keeper. Next up, we have the vest. Now, I did not expect to love this vest when I pulled it out, because I don't know that I'm a huge vest person, but I really wanted to try that. Hint, you might see a vest in my Amazon Prime outfit. So I'm excited to try it, but I think it's the color that gets me. I love this green. I just think it is a beautiful color, and I just really like this. It's lightweight, it's very cute. I like it a lot. Now, moving on down, let's go ahead and take this off. I've got this sweater, which I really like. I've been wanting a cream sweater. I think the tasseling on it is very cute. And I like that it's got a split here on the sides. It's slightly longer on back. The sweater fits me really well. So definitely a winner in my book. This one will be probably if the price is right. And then the jeans, they fit really well. I like STS blue. I've got another, I think my very first box that I got a pair of STS blue jeans, and they fit great, and I like them a lot. My only issue is I just don't really need any more just regular jeans, so most likely I won't end up keeping these unless I do a 5 for 5. That's an option. And then these shoes I think are really cute. They have a longer foot on it than I really like, but I will show you guys a close-up of that in a minute. And then we will do a recap, but I really love my outfit, so great job, Nikki. So here's a close-up of the shoes. You can see, like I said, I feel like they make my feet look longer than I would want them to, but I do really like them and they are comfortable. So we shall see what the prices are. These might be dependent upon price. Okay, so let's recap and go over the prices. So first off, we have the 41 Hawthorn quilted vest in dark green. It is $68. This one I'm really debating on. I just really love the color of it. It's just a really nice vest. I don't know that I want to pay $68 for it, but it is what it is. So you guys let me know what you think of this. That would be super helpful. Then we have the skinny jeans. These are the Neve skinny jeans by STS Blue, and they are $49. I really don't need them, but they are great. I have nothing but good things to say about them. Then we have the Moda Luxe. This is the Fold over Crossbody, and this is $48. And obviously I'm keeping this because I had so many great things to say about it, and I'm really happy about it, so mine. Next up we have the shoes, which are the Keds. They are the Kickstart Novelty Textile Lace-Up Sneaker in beige, and they are $58. I felt kind of about them. I didn't like how they make my feet look long. I think that's kind of the style of this shoe. I have a pair of Chucks that do that too, and it's just not my favorite. So I will not be keeping those. Then we have this shirt, which is by Harper, and this is the Katelynn Cotton Blend Distressed ... I don't know what the rest of it is, in off-white, and it is $68. Okay, so the whole box is $291. If I buy all, you get a 25% off discount. That takes off $72.75. The order subtotal is $218.25. So, what to keep? The purse is my for sure yes. I'm just not sure about the vest and this shirt. So I could use some opinions. What do you guys think I should keep? Great box though, Nikki. So I mentioned that I'm going to be comparing this outfit with one that I put together myself. So what I did is I ordered an outfit from Prime Wardrobe, and that is actually sitting right over there in this room. I just haven't opened it up yet. Stitch Fix is going to get posted on Monday, and then 2 days later on Wednesday I will be posting the Prime Wardrobe unboxing. So please stick around for that and tell me which outfit's your favorite. Did I do better, or did Stitch Fix do better? I mean, we all know Stitch Fix will have done better, but who knows? I had a lot of fun with this box. I really enjoyed doing an entire outfit. I might do that again sometime just because it's nice to see an entire outfit together and what a stylist would put together for that. So I had a lot of fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below. And if you guys like this video, then give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye.